Welcome back to the channel, and today we set our sights on the 2024 KTM 1390 Super Duke R Evo. This motorcycle isn't merely a street fighter, it's a potent expression of unbridled power and precision handling, designed for experienced riders who crave an exhilarating experience. The Super Duke's heart lies in its colossal 1,350cc LC8 V-twin engine. This formidable power plant generates a staggering 190 horsepower and 145 newton-meters of torque, propelling the bike forward with awe-inspiring acceleration. A sophisticated suite of electronics ensures responsible control of this raw power. Adjustable wheelie control, traction control, and cornering ABS work in concert to bolster rider confidence. For those seeking even more ferocious performance, an optional Akrapovic exhaust unlocks a mind-bending 200 horsepower, transforming the Super Duke into an absolute beast on the track. Power is but one facet of the Super Duke's brilliance. The ergonomics, surprisingly comfortable for a performance machine, feature a wide, flat seat and a handlebar that positions the rider in a commanding posture for optimal control. WP semi-active suspension dynamically adapts to your riding style and road conditions, ensuring a smooth and confidence-inspiring ride. Brembo-style McCalipers provide phenomenal stopping power, allowing riders to scrub off speed with precision and unwavering confidence. A stunning TFT display serves as the rider's information hub, providing a clear view of essential metrics like gear selection, a rev counter that adapts to the chosen riding mode, and a plethora of other data points. An anti-reflective coating ensures excellent readability in all lighting conditions. Full LED lighting illuminates the road ahead, enhancing nighttime visibility and contributing to the bike's aggressive aesthetics. While fuel economy might not be the Super Duke's forte, the 17.5-liter fuel tank offers a decent range for exploring those thrilling, winding roads. Expect figures around 15 kilometers per liter, depending on your riding style. Owning a 2024 KTM 1390 Super Duke R Evo comes with a significant price tag of $21,500. However, for seasoned riders seeking an unparalleled blend of exhilarating power, exceptional handling, and a touch of comfort, this machine represents the pinnacle of naked motorcycle performance. The 2024 KTM 1390 Super Duke R Evo isn't for the faint of heart. It's a motorcycle meticulously crafted for experienced riders who crave an adrenaline rush and the ability to push their limits. If you're searching for a practical commuter, look elsewhere. But if you yearn for a weekend warrior that will leave you exhilarated with every twist of the throttle, the Super Duke R Evo is the ultimate two-wheeled thrill machine. Let us know your thoughts on this incredible machine in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews.